Question 6, apply all relevant properties of exponents to simplify the following expressions completely. All expressions represent real numbers. Okay, so our first one, we have 5 as our base. The second one, we have x as our base. And the third one, we have y as our base. So we need to know the property here when we are multiplying two things with the same base. And that is, you add the exponents. So because these both have a base of 5, it's base 5, and then I'm going to add 9/2 plus -3/2. And you can use a calculator for that. I'm not saying you have to know, like, do all fractions by hand. And it ends up being 3. So this ends up being 5 to the power of 3. I'm not sure if it wants that or if it wants 125. I don't know. Because that is actually an integer number, we'll see. But on the next two, I know we're going to have x and y. So our base is x. And then we have our exponents, which we're going to add 5/3 plus 10/3. And because these both have the same denominator, you just add the top. So it's 15/3, which reduces. So it's actually not a fraction anymore. It just reduces to 5. So that would be x to the 5th. Then our bottom one here, we have y, and then we add the exponents. So 7/4 plus 21/4. I'm just going to do this one by hand. The bottom's 4, you add the top to be 28, and that reduces to 7. So I have y to the 7th. Okay, so just knowing that property that when you have two things being multiplied, you add the exponents. So this one, I'm going to try 5 to the 3rd. This one was x to the 5th, and y to the 7th. Okay, so it's not in the requested form. This one actually wants the number. So that is good to know when you're doing yours.